Welcome to this introduction to Amazon Elastic Container Registry, or ECR. ECR is Amazon Web Services' fully managed Docker image registry service. Think of it as a secure warehouse where you can store, organize, and manage all your container images. Throughout this video, we'll explore what ECR is, how it works, and why it's an essential service for anyone working with containers on AWS. Amazon ECR is a fully managed container registry service that simplifies storing, managing, sharing, and deploying Docker container images and OCI artifacts. Fully managed means you don't need to worry about setting up servers or maintaining infrastructure. ECR handles everything for you. Two key characteristics make ECR stand out. First, it's secure by design. All your images are automatically encrypted both at rest, when stored, and in transit when being transferred. Second, it's highly scalable. Whether you have 10 images or 10,000, ECR automatically scales to handle your workload without any manual intervention. ECR is built on 4 fundamental components. First is the registry, which is your private Docker registry provided automatically with your AWS account. Think of it as your personal container image storage space. Second is the repository, which is a collection of related Docker images. Each repository can contain multiple versions of the same application image. Third is the image itself, which is the actual Docker container image stored within a repository. Finally, there's the image tag, which acts as a version identifier for your images. Common tags include latest for the most recent version or specific version numbers like v1.0 or v2.3. ECR supports 2 types of repositories to fit different use cases. Private repositories are the default option and most commonly used. They provide restricted access controlled through IAM or Identity and Access Management. Only authorized users and services within your AWS account can access these images, making them perfect for proprietary applications and sensitive workloads. On the other hand, public repositories allow you to share container images with anyone globally. These images are publicly accessible and don't require authentication to pull. This is ideal when you want to distribute open-source projects or share images with the broader community. ECR comes packed with powerful features that make container management easier and more secure. Image scanning automatically detects vulnerabilities in your container images, helping you identify security issues before deployment. Lifecycle policies enable automatic cleanup of old or unused images, helping you manage storage costs and keep your repositories organized. All images benefit from encryption using a ES256 encryption at rest, ensuring your container images remain secure. Finally, ECR offers seamless AWS integration with services like ECS for Elastic Container Service, EKS for Elastic Kubernetes Service, and even Lambda for serverless container deployments. Using ECR follows a simple 4-step workflow. Step 1, Authenticate Docker. You need to log in to ECR using your AWS credentials. This establishes a secure connection between your local Docker client and your ECR registry. Step 2, Build Image. Create your Docker image from your application code using a Docker file. This packages your application and all its dependencies into a container image. Step 3, Tag Image. Apply the ECR repository URI or Uniform Resource Identifier along with a version tag to your image. This identifies where the image should be stored and what version it represents. Step 4. Push to ECR. Upload your tagged image to your ECR repository. Once pushed, the image is securely stored and ready to be deployed. ECR offers several compelling benefits for container workflows. It's fully managed, meaning there's no infrastructure for you to set up, maintain, or scale. AWS handles all the operational overhead. You get high availability with reliable image storage and built-in redundancy across multiple availability zones, ensuring your images are always accessible when needed. ECR is cost-effective with a pay-as-you-go model. You only pay for the storage you use and the data you transfer, with no upfront costs or minimum fees. Finally, it enables fast deployment with optimized image pulls, allowing your containers to launch quickly whether you're using ECS, EKS, or other container platforms. ECR excels in several real-world scenarios. For microservices architecture, ECR provides a centralized place to store and manage container images for distributed applications where each service runs in its own container. In CI/CD pipelines, or continuous integration and continuous deployment pipelines, ECR integrates seamlessly with automated build, test, and deployment workflows, allowing teams to push new image versions automatically. For ML model deployment, or machine learning model deployment, data scientists can package trained models as containers and store them in ECR for easy deployment and versioning. Finally, for multi-region deployments, ECR supports cross-region replication, allowing you to copy images across AWS regions for global applications with low latency access.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.